Hello students, I hope all of you are fine. So you have joined the class, and today we will try to complete the exercise 6.1. In our previous class we have done up to question number 4. So now we will move from question number 5. So now let us move to our question, that is question number 5. Here the question is evaluate number 1 minus 9 cube, number 2 minus 21 by 3 cube, number 3 minus 4 cube. We have to find out the values. These are in exponential form, and we have to bring out the usual form. That means the value of minus 9 cube, which number? Suppose for example 2 cube is 8. So 2 cube is exponential form, and we have to find out the value for which of that number whose value is 2.2 cube, right? So let us start with our number 1 here. We'll write solution. Then minus 9 cube means what? This index or power represent, that is minus 9 is multiplied 3 times. So we'll write minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9. So 9 into 9 is 9 into 9 81, then 81 into 9, 9 into 1 9, 8 9, 8 into 9 is 72. So 729. Now for the sign, that is whether it will be plus or minus. I told you in our previous class, right? If the number is negative, and the index or power is odd, then the result will also be a negative number, and if it was even, then it would have been positive, right? Okay, now let us move to our second one. Here minus 21 by 3 whole cube, minus 21 by 3. So it is also repeated. This fraction is multiplied with each other how many times? 3 times. So let us solve. Minus 21 by 3 means minus 21 by 3 one time, minus 21 by 3 two time, minus 21 by 3 3 times, right? So now we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 into 3 is 9, then 9 into 3 is 27. Now 21 into 21 is 21 into 21. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, then 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4. It is 1 4 4 441. 21 into 21, then another 21. We'll multiply 441 with 21. 1 4 4, then 1 8 8, that means 1 5 12 9, 9 2 5 1, 9 2 5 1. Now for the sign, there is minus sign, right? Negative sign. So same case, this is even, odd, so its sign will also be odd, sign will be negative. Clear? Sorry, here 2 into 1 is 2, so it will be 6, that means 9 2 6 1. So here it will also be 6. So our required answer will be 9261 divided by 27. So now let us move to our third question. Here our third question is minus 4 cube. Minus 4 cube means 4 is multiplied 3 times. So we'll proceed. Solution, then minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. So it will be 64. Now sign, and this is odd number, so sign will be negative. It will not change. Clear? Okay. Now let's move to our fourth. it is 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 means what? 2 is multiplied 7 times. 2 to the power 7 solution. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That represents 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64, 64 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, 6 into 2, 12, 128. Clear? And now there is no negative sign, so we no need to bother about the sign. Clear? Okay. Now let us move to our fifth option, and the question is minus 5 to the power 5. Minus 5 to the power 5 means minus 5 is multiplied 5 times. So it will be minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, then another one into minus 5. So 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, 125 into 5 is 625, 625 into 5, 6 to 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 25, 2, 5 into 2, 5, 10, 11, 12, 1, 6, 5 into 6 is 30, 31. That means 3, 1, 2, 5. Now there is negative sign and the power is odd, so it will be negative. Clear? Okay. So now let us move to our next question, that is question number 6. So our next question is find the values of 2 by 5 whole cube and 2 cube divided by 5, and which is greater. Here this two exponential form does not represent the same. Look here. Here 2 by 5 whole cube means what? 2 has cube 3, 5 also has cube power 3. Clear? And this represent means what? This represent only 2 has power 3, 5 don't have any power. Clear? That 5 have power, that is 1. Up to this clear? Okay. So now we have to find out both the values of both the forms, and then we have to say which one is greater. So if we find out the values, we can easily say which one is greater. So let us find. 2 by 5 whole cube. This means 2 by 5 is multiplied 3 times. So we will give 2 into 2 into 2 by 5 into 5 into 5. Now 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5, 25 into 5 is 100, 1 to 5. Up to this clear? Okay. Now let us look the next. Here the second form is 2 cube by 5. Now in this case we will not multiply 5 3 times. We will just multiply 2 3 times, because we have power above. We have power only above the 2, not above 5. Clear? Okay. So we will multiply 2 into 2 into 2. Now 5. 2 into 2 is 8. Sorry, 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 by 5. Clear? So now by looking we can say which one is greater. This will be greater, right? Because if we divide 8 with 125, it will be 0.00 like this. And now if we divide 5 with 8, that is 8 divided by 5. If we divide 5 with 8, it will be 1 point something. So 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 is greater than 2 by 5 whole cube. So we will write hence 2 power 3 divided by 5 is greater than 2 by 5 whole cube. Clear? Okay, let us find their values. It will be 8 divided by 125. This is not possible, so we will give here point and give 0. This is again not possible, so we will give here another 0 and we will put another 0. So 125. 125, let us multiply 125 with 7. 1, 2, 5 with 7. 7 into 5 is 35. Then 3. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 is 17. Then 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Then 1, 8. It is 875. So it is not possible. So let us multiply with 125 with 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Then 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Then 1. 6 into 1 is 6. 7. 750. So if we multiply 125 with 6, it will be 750. That means now we will subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 550. Then if we put, okay, up to this, usually we find out the values, we find out 2 digits after decimal, right? So it is 0.6. The 0.06. Now 8 by 5. 8 by 5, right? 8 by 5. 5 into 1, 5, 3 left, 0, 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So its value is 1.6. Now look, which one is greater? Whether 0.06 is greater or 1.6 is greater? Definitely 1.6 is greater. So we have written hence 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 is greater than 2 by 5 whole cube. I hope this is clear to you, right? So now let us move to our next question. So now let us move to our question number 7. Question number 7 also is same as earlier ones, right? In the previous one we have just find out the values, and by looking we have we say that which one is greater and which one is not. Now we'll have to subtract or multiply each other, right? Here first one will subtract and the second one we will multiply after finding the values. So let us start with our option question number 1 of 7. It will be first one is 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. Now so we will write solution. Then 1 by 2 to the power 5 means what? 1 by 2 is multiplied 5 times. So 1, and 2 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 into 2, right? We will not write this because it will be long process. We have done many times. 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 to the power 4 means what? We will just put the values directly. So 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So it will be 32. 1 by 32 minus 3 into 3. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 8. 2 into 3, look here. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 8. So now we have to subtract 1 by 32 minus 27 by 8. Clear? Okay. Now this is it possible to subtract directly from here? No, it is not possible. So we have to make the denominator same. If we make the denominator same, then it is very easy to solve. So if we take The LCM it will be what, 32 and 8 both numbers is divisible by 32, right? 32 is divisible by 32 also, and 32 is divisible by 8 also. So 32 into 32 divided by 32 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 8 into 4, 32 divided by 8 is 4, so 4 into 27, so 4 into 27, let 27 into 4, 7 into 4 is 28, 2, 4 into 2 is 8, 9, 10, it is 108. Now 108, 1 minus 108, okay, 108 minus 1 is 108 minus 1, it is 107, 107 divided by 32. Now up to this, is it finished? No. Now for sign, look, 1 is what, positive, and 1 is positive and 108 is negative, so plus minus is minus. Up to this clear, minus. Now which sign will put? The greater one, the greater number is 108. Now this sign is what, negative, so we'll put here negative. Clear? Now if we had this 1 is minus 1 and this is 108 is plus, that is if 1 is negative and 108 was positive, so we would have put here plus sign, because plus minus is minus, we know. Now greater sign would be positive in that case, so we will put positive, right? Now in this case 108 is negative, greater is negative, so we will put their negative sign. Up to this clear, and your solutions is also clear, right? We have finished the solution. This is our required answer. Now our second one, minus 3 square, 3 into 3. Okay, now look one thing. Yes, 3 into 3 is what, 9. Now whether it will be minus? No, it will be not. The sign will be not negative, because here power or index is even, right? Okay, now next is 4 cube, that is 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64, 64. Now 3 into 3 is 27, 27, right? Okay, now can we cancel 9 with 27? 9 into 3 is 27, so it will be 64 divided by 3. This is our required answer. I hope you are getting right. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So now let us move to our next one, that is question number 8. So here our question is, identify the greater number in each of the following. That means it was same as question number 6. We have to here identify which one is greater and which one is not. Now till now that is up to class 6, we have just find out our question was like this, 2 or 4, which one is greater? We by just looking we could say that 4 is greater. Now in this case the numbers are not in this form, this is in exponential form, so we have to bring the exponential form in their generalized form. Okay, after that we can clearly say by looking which one is greater and which one is not. So here the first question is 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 2 is multiplied 3 times, so 2 cube equals 2 into 2 into 2 means what? 8. Its value is 8. Now 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is 9. Now which one is greater, 8 or 9 is greater? 8 or 9 is greater? 9 is greater. That means 9 is value of 3 square. So we will write 3 square is greater. 3 square is greater, or if we want to insert the symbol, we will write like this, 3 square greater than 2 cube. Clear? Okay. Now our second one, here 5 square and 2 to the power 5. 5 square means 5 is multiplied 2 times, that means 5 into 5, 5 into 5 is 25, and 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 is multiplied 5 times, 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Its value is 2 into 2 is 4, 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Now which one is greater, 25 or 32? 32 is greater. So we'll write 2 to the power 5 is greater than 5 square. This is very easy, right? Okay. So now let us solve the third one. Our third one is minus 2 to the power 6 or minus 6 to the power 2. Sorry, minus 2 to the power 6 or minus 6 to the power 2. It will be solution. Now minus 2 to the power 6 means minus 2 is multiplied 6 times. So minus 2 into 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 minus 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32, 32 into 2 is 64. Its value is 64. Now will it be positive? Definitely it will be positive, right? Because here negative sign and here the power is even, so it will be positive. Now minus 6 square, minus 6 square means what? Minus 6 into minus 6. Now 6 into 6 is 36 and its value will also be changed because here the power is even. So now 36 is greater or 64? Definitely 64 is greater. So we will write 2 minus 2 to the power 6 is greater than minus 6 square. Clear? Okay. So now let us move to our next question. Today we will take a bit long class because our exam is near, right, and we have to complete our syllabus. So here our question is simplify 3 square into 10 cube and another is 5 square into 2 to the power 4 and there are another 2 left, you can solve yourself. So here first one we have to simplify means what? First of all we have to find their values from the exponential form and then we have to use the fundamental units of math. The fundamental units right here multiply, so we have to multiply both the terms. So first one is 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 square means 3 into 3 it is 9 and 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, right? So it will be 1000. 10 now we have to multiply 9 with 10 cube. Okay, if you don't know how 10 cube become 1000, look here, 10 into 10 into 10. Now 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Now how many 0? 1, 2, 3. So direct put 3 zeros. So its value is 1000, right? Okay. Now we have to multiply 3 square with 10 cube. That means 9 with 1000. So it will be now 9 into 1000. 9 into 1000 equals 9000. Finished. Okay, very easy, right? Now let us move to our next one, that is 5 square into 2 to the power 4. 5 square means what? 5 square 25 and 2 to the power 4, 5 square equals 25. Clear? 2 to the power 4, 2 cube is 8 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So now we have to multiply 25 with 16. So 5 into 6 is 30, then the remainder 3, 6 into 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now 5 into 1 is 5, 2 into 1 is 2. So 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 4. It is 400, right? So now we will write now 25 into 16 equals 400. This is very easy, right? I hope you are getting how to solve the exercise. Okay, in the remaining two, there is option 3 and 4, you can solve yourself, right? Okay, now let us move towards next question, that is question number 10. Okay, here our next question is express each of the following in power notation. The power notation means what? We have to transform this expression to the exponential form, right? So our first question is 9 by 64. Now 9, can we write 9 as 3 into 3? Look here, 3 into 3. We can write 9, right? 3 into 3 is 9. Now 64, 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64, right? So now 3 is multiplied 2 times, 8 is also multiplied 2 times. So if we take common 3 and 8, now if we give a bracket and if we give power 2, this is our required answer, right? Okay. Now you will say, sir, we can find 64 with 2 to the power 6 also, because 2 into 2 into 2, it is 64. You can write, no problem, right? And so the other answer will be 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Now 64. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 into 2 is 64. Clear? So if you write like this, this is also correct, and if you write like this is also correct, no problem. So 3 into 3 is 3 square, right? 3 is multiplied 2 times. Now 2 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write either this or this. I'll choose this one because this looks great, right? Okay. Next one, minus 8 divided by 27. Minus 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, right? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. And 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. Now both are multiplied how many times? 3 times. So we'll take 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Finish. Minus 2 to the power 3, if we expand, earlier question was like this. If to express this in this form, we'll just go reverse, right? Minus 2 to the power 3 means what? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 means what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So it is minus 8 by 27. Now the question is given, the actual form is given. Now we have to put this in the exponential form or power notation, right? And the remaining you can solve. So now let us move to our next question, that is question number 11. Find the value of x. Okay, this is a bit different type of questions, right? Find the value of x. The first one is minus 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x equals minus 32. Now we have to find the value of x. What will be the value of x? Okay. Now we can write 32 as, okay, let us start. Here the solution is what? Minus 2 to the power x and minus 32. Now can we write minus x as 32 as 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Look here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32, right? So if we can we write minus 2 32 as minus 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we write minus 32 as minus 2 to the power 5? Yes, because 32 minus 2 to the power 5 value is minus 32. Okay. So now this both the terms will get cancelled. If we cancel both these two terms, so left is x equals, this one is power of this minus 2 and 5 is also power of minus 2. So x equals 5. X equals 5. So we will write therefore or hence value of x is 5. I hope this is clear to you, right? Now here what we have done is that we have wrote minus 32 in the exponential form. Here minus 2x, this is in exponential form, right? For this, to solve this, we have to solve minus 32 in the exponential form also. So we have bring minus 32 in the form which is minus 2 to the power 5. Now after that we have cancelled minus 2 and minus 2. So the left is what? The two powers left, here x equals 5, which is hence the value of x is 5. Now we will move to our next one. The second question is 5x, 5 to the power x equals 125. In that case, we have to bring 125 to the exponential form, right? Our question is like this: 5 to the power x equals 125. This is in exponential form, left side is in exponential form and right side is in the usual form. So we have to bring the 125 to the exponential form. So we will write solution, then 5 to the power x equals 125. This is our given, right? Now 5 to the power x, now 125 can we write as 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125. So it will be 5 to the power 3. So 5 will cancel. So x equals 3. Very easy, right? We have to just bring the other number in the exponential form. Okay. So we'll write hence value of x is 3. I hope this is clear to you, right? And another one left, you try one times. If you don't, I will solve in our next class. So now let us move to our second, that is 12th question. Here in that questions we have certain values and we have to put the values to solve our or to find out our answer, right? Here the question is, if a equals 3 and b equal 2, question number 12, if a equals 3 and b equals 2, then find the values of each of the following. We will write then find the value, right? First one is a minus b to the power a minus b to the power a. Here we have values of a is 3 and b equals 2. We have to put or we have to substitute the values to find the value of this expression. So let us start. We'll write here solution, then a minus b to the power a. Here the value of a is 3. So in place of a we will write 3, b is what? 2. We will write 2 and a is what? A is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 to the power 3 means what? 1. So this is our required answer. I hope this is easy, right? Okay. Now let us solve another one. You will understand it better. Other one is a plus b to the power b. So here solution a plus b to the power b. So here a is how much? 3 and b is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 into 2, that is 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 is what? 5 into 5, 5 into 5 is 25. Clear? These questions are very easy, these are the basics of the exponents and powers. And I know another one is left, you try one time. Okay, now let us move to our last question of today's class, that is simplify. Here question number 13 and question number 14 is same, right? So we will solve one and the remaining is your homework. So here our last question is simplify minus 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 3 into 3 square into 3 by 4 to the power 2. We have to find out the values and according to the given units or given fundamental operations we have to solve this. This is what that means. What simplify means, we have to make this form simple one. So let us proceed. It will be, first of all our will write solution, then minus, we will write the expression minus 1 cube into 3 square into 3 by 4 square, right? Okay. Now minus 1 cube means what? Minus 1 is minus 1. Then 2 cube means what? 8. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Into 3 square means what? 3 into 3 is 9. And again 3 square means what? 9. 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. Clear? Okay, now what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Here the numerator is what? Minus 1 into 9 into 9. Now 9 into 9 is 81. 81 into minus 1 is minus 81. And denominator is 8 into 16. 8 into 16 is 128. So it is we can't solve any or we can't extend this anymore because it is not divisible with each other. So this is for this, up to this is the answer, and this is for today's class. Also we will conclude here, and we'll meet in our next class, in which we will solve the next exercise, that is 6.2, and we'll try to conclude this chapter. So stay safe, stay blessed, and meet you in our next class.